arm lock function, arm lab function week 7, and we use this robot arm to move the block and stacking it. And this is the turning on robot, and this always start from the initial position. And this is the program, and we insert a number of loop we want to add. So I will start the program, and this is the initial position, and this is the final position where robot gonna stack the block. Let me start the program, and this asks how many blocks should be moved. So I will move 2 blocks, and it will start. And he will ask for placing the block when it will reach its position. So that's the position, and for further continue I have to enter it because I use the pause command, and it will lift it and it will go slowly and place it on the stack position. In the similar manner, it will perform the second. So now there's a second block, and I have to press the enter again. That's it. That's the end of program. Thank you.